Libya, I was separated from my mother and trafficked across Europe by an agent.
I went through Italy and France and into the UK in a refrigerated lorry.
I was tortured by adults on the camps I had to stay in.
I suffered serious violence on this journey. I was forced to work in a number of countries, making bricks, washing up, and begging. An independent advocate gave me a lot of support. They made sure my voice was heard in meetings about my care. Today, I still suffer nightmares and flashbacks. I hope one day to become a lawyer to help others like myself.